way up into their robot on the red side. Coming across Litos from Crown Drive. Coming trying to pick up a container way back in the landfill. Watch the arm extend from the Blue Alliance. The Zebra Corns going in there. Reach, 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 stretch. Container in the air, not quite in position for 836. Zebra Corn puts one up as the litter comes across the field. The Blue drops their container. Container on top of the stack of totes triples the score. 3489 trying to get lined up with the Blue Alliance. Category 5 for Charleston. Got a container with litter in it. That could be a big scoring if they can get a couple of totes under that. It's scored on one of the scoring platforms. 836 trying to scoop up a tote over here on the red side, on the left side of the field. In the back. 2 totes. And a container. 3489 could make a big play. Category 5. The Blue Alliance. Alright, that's 4 points. So what happens to that container? They turn it around with a litter in it. Alright, they just tripled the score to 12 and they added the score. With the litter in there as well. It's a big score there. That's been added into the unofficial scoring yet. 435 trying to come across the score. And immediately they took over almost. They can recover. 836 now lining up for a play, but can't keep the tote in possession. As the couple static on the arm of 1539. Trying to go back here to the Clover team. Lucky Lucy. 3489 has 24 seconds to see if they can pull off a double score. 836's container seems to be sideways as they put one tote on the scoring platform. All right, center field on the red side, 435 with the container and a tote in possession. But they're on the scoring platform and they're a little bit crooked, unable to grasp the lower container with their left lifting arm. 435 got a corner out there. Just like score for the Blues. Red Ditto maybe. Just a litter score. We'll see how this comes out. High score 36 may be topped in this round by the Blue Alliance. up by 3:43. Phoenix by 1 by 15:33, but they need 4 there to get any points. It's still a minute and a half left in the match. That's their goal. Oh, we got Little Container, 4:35. Robotics for Raleigh, taking a nice color with Litter. Nice tempo play. All right, we got a container out here in the middle of the field. 3-4 position. Seems to be a jam up on the blue side of the field with the red container. They're not going to place another one until they can pick that up. Catching up to 15:33 to number 4 as the container with the litter falls on the red side of the field. 49-01 from Columbia. Containers in possession. Looking for a scoring opportunity here. That's Barney Squadron. 3:43 moving up and down, scoring. Running. In possession. 4:35 going over to the container. Trying to hug 2 toes, but the container's in the corner. Maybe they're ready to get again. Here we go. The 4th. Competition. Toe is in the possession at 15:33. The triple strange Queensboro team has 20 seconds to get past 2 down the narrow alley and place it on there. 50-40 points. The Flyers are waiting. Probably can even player violations, but we've got a competition stack in this fall 42 match. That's going to be 40 points. The holds, both Lions, then they are having a score. Blues got about 20, picked up 40.
Yeah, we might be somewhere up there. I don't know the problem. That's okay.
Robotics team.
Oh my. All right. Let's get the Blue Alliance started. Kicking it off with 422.
From Richmond, Virginia, the Tech Dragons.
And then there's 50 hats. Team 1225.
From Hendersonville, North Carolina, the Gorillas.
Are these me? Ears? I don't know. I love it. Team 3976.
From Hopkins, South Carolina, the Electric Hornets.
Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, rush.
Here we go with qualification match number 50. We are halfway through. 3.2, pushing a yellow. This is underway now. We're going to run. Jumps in the auto zone. 2640, points in there, just about. The yellow's like to consider in place. We got 2 robots in the auto zone with the red lines as well. 2 yellow as well. Drivers are taking control of their machines. Working on Robotics, burn up on that yellow nose. Scraping back and forth. 48-47. Going over that yellow player station, grabbing that gray toe. They're going to drive it over. They try to rack up as many of those points as they can. 435, lining up on the second yellow toe for the red lines. They want to get that qualification stack. They know 40 points will make your day.
Right now, it's trying to stay out of the way of that competition.
2640 behind us. Driving back over the scoring platform. Going back to reload. Let's see what they want to grab. 435 435 tries to place the two yellow toes. And there it goes. We're halfway there now. 2059, the Hitchhikers, using that big conveyor belt wedge, almost as a stabilizer. Boy, you know what, the Guard Squadron trying to get lined up. Looks like they're maybe trying to hurry some toes. We got just over 1 minute remaining in the match. 48-47. Grab their recycling container. We'll see if they can lift that on up. 4901 is towing some toes out of the landfill zone. We've got 60 seconds remaining in the match. 2059 the Hitchhikers. Using that spinning wheel intake. They look to go with the toes up and get them in there. They spit one out. They must not like that out once. Now they got to stack 4 high. They're going to try. And Jimmy down there. Oh! Down they go. Looks like one toad still on the platform, so that's 2 points. But that's definitely not what they were hoping for. We're closing in on the final 20 seconds of the match. There goes the train whistle. Robotics, 435 is on their backs. That's not how you want to end the match. Time's running down. We're going to try to grab the yellow toes. They're going to run out of time. It's 3, 2, 1.
So they're on the move. Okay, we got it. No scoring here. Autonomous as we proceed on. Looks like Undercogs didn't make it. 5130 for the red line, so it's two teams here. 5130 with no driver in the driver's station either. 1051's sensing a container with 435's trying to build a too-high stack of yellow toes, along with 3459 over on the red side. So if Pyrotech and Robotics can put something together, we'll see cooperation points. Quite an obstacle, 2 obstacles. You can get 2 toes, but you got to come around a slanty scoring container. Crab drive 435 sliding nicely over. So they still got to come down that narrow channel. Seems to be an advantage to the toes that come in nose first instead of side first. 3459 just not able to find a handle on that lower container. 435's coming in at an oblique angle, and they fall back. They had that problem before, but they come up enough with their belly buttons. And there it goes in. 3459 feeling the pressure now. 422 on the blue alliance is stuck. He's beached. His wheels and his chassis. He was able to get out of one of these predicaments before, and I think it took a little help from a friend. As 435 comes over, makes a nice friendly bump. Yeah, I love you too. But anyway, 1051's coming over. All right, here comes the stack in the middle of the field. 3459 is Team Pyrotech, North Carolina, helping out. Their alliance partner, Robodogs from Raleigh, North Carolina, who put the other 2 toes there. And there we have a North Carolina stack. All right, nice play there. You'd think these guys have been practicing. And it's there, it's crooked, but it counts. All right, big spin around. 422 is really getting some action now. They want part of this fun too. 435's getting litter put into their container, trying to top one off here with 18 seconds left.
Or not.
That's a beautiful balance there. One more container going into the blue line. No toe scores, 1 2-pointer is all they got, but they focused for the red alliance. Focused on the 40
yellow.
Big gun. All right, red's showing 36 on the score. I'm seeing 42 on the field, so there may be a foul. We'll have to see what's going on. All right, all the blue alliance teams in motion. Red alliance team staying strategically placed. 1533 with 2 containers. Nicole there, the triple strange. Coming up over the scoring platform. Making that, trying to get a scoop of you way up high. We already have 33 trying to manipulate around, and they have. If you snag the brake hook that's blocking the step, let's see if they move it out of the way later to knock it on the competition play. 28-33 doing a nice job. And then comes the triple stack coming over on the blue side of the field, scoring up with a ball. It's a quad stack, and it's gone. 15-33 is still down for the count. It's 47-3, trying to get in position to make a score. Looks like they're having drivability issues as well. Here's some grinding. Looks like they might have one side of their axles disconnected. They can't go straight. 120, back on the red side of the field. We've got a double stack. They're trying to get it in place. They went into the corner, pull it out, lined up. Sideways. We still have very few toes, if any, scored. We got one for the Blue Alliance now. We got four for the Red Alliance. We got a four stack being built on the back side of the field on the Red Alliance. As we have 30 seconds left. That's 84. So there's 15 more matches after this one. And then Alliance kicking at noon. Robots suffering some fatigue failures here as 435 goes down as well. It's the first time we've had two robots down on the field at the same time. And here comes a big cat topper. 7 seconds left.
Come on.
Unable to reach higher for the forward. They take a triple one and add another point to that stack.
Starting off in the Palmetto series, Team Myrtle pushing the yellow toad over. 42-43, move on their own. 435 for Robotics over on the blue side, bringing the yellow toad over. Scouts are watching. It seems though it may not score now. In the playoffs, you know these teams are going to want every point they can get in the autonomous period. Team Myrtle back away from their yellow toad. They'll come back for a little bit later. 435 for Robotics. Looks like they're moving over. They've got the yellow toad in the chute. They get their recycling container out of the way, they're going to drop it in there. Looks like they're going to make a nice little stack. Two yellow toads. Star Warriors has the yellow toad of their own up in their river. They're going to drive over that square left. When they square up on it, make it a little bit easier for them.
Bummer.
They're going to try and drop it off. That second yellow toad with the red lines. Robodogs looks like they're taking a nasty spill there. Nobody ever likes to run the match when they're on their backs. I hope they can get a hold of the yellow toad out of the machine so they can make something happen and get that bar position bonus. 38-24, HBA Robotics. Already a stack of four toes. You've seen them run their game plan just about every single match here in the Palmetto region. They got two more with the recycling container on top. They're lifting it up, all the way up. And they drop it on top. That stack of four. 6 plus the container plus litter. Big 42 points. To boost their score, that's how they run their game. That was not the last time we've seen this match. Less than a minute remaining now in the teleoperator mode. 346. Driving around, looks like they're going to that lane real zone, trying to break up the toes. They can each shoot a ground hold. 2187, Team Bolt doing the same. Fishing in the lane. 42-43, the Star Wars, and the recycling container, it drops. Hopefully they can get a hold of another one there and get obliterated. HBA, 4 more toes. Looks like they're going for another recycling container. They lift it up. And here come the 2 extra toes. Closing in on the final 20 seconds. Last bits of litter gets thrown in the air. You hear the train whistle there. HBA is going up. All the way up. No litter this time. But still, 36 big points as they back away the lead. And they try and get a little bit more here.